Hey guys, this is Rohin Parker from Spintly Smart Access Control Systems. What you're looking at is a conventional access control system which is based on the Weekend protocol. These are 3 4-door access controllers. Each controller controls 4 doors. In this case, there are 12 doors. This is what a 4-door controller looks like, which has 4 channels and 4 relays. So wire runs from here to each of the readers and another wire runs back to control the lock. You can see the amount of cabling which is going from here to all the doors. What we have done with Spintly is this: we have replaced this whole system with this. This is a Spintly Smart Access Control Gateway. This is our BLE Mesh Gateway, which replaces central access control systems, and this can communicate with hundreds of readers within a single building over a mesh network without any cabling. These are our readers. These readers connect to our gateway wirelessly over a mesh network. You can have hundreds of this in a single building without any cabling, which can be talking to our gateway. All you have to do is get your phone close to the device and the door unlocks for you. And the data from these readers gets transmitted to the gateway wirelessly.